In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to set up an offset on your temperature input. Using the page key, page 2 access. Press the scroll key and enter code 1. Observe pass, press the scroll key and observe go to. Press the up arrow key and select full. Press the page key and page to IP list. Press the scroll key until you see OFS.1. Here you can use the arrow keys for positive or negative offset. To return back to the screen, press the 2 buttons and you are now back to your home screen. If you wish to return back to the operator level, press the page key until you can see access, press the scroll key and press the down arrow key for code 0. You have now entered the operator level and are back where you started.